Hello lovely people. Hope you are having a great time. Today's presentation is a special one. Please stay tuned and enjoy the video. If you have a site with prime location, then you can check out this impressive contemporary multi-purpose story building. This design maximizes the use of the land size, hence preventing any form of wastage. The design has 3 floors. The ground floor consists of 11 shops, 10 washrooms and a stairwell leading to the first floor. The first floor, which is reserved for an event center, is thoughtfully designed to serve its purpose. The second floor is also made up of 3-bedroom semi-detached flats for 2 different families. The roof structure is designed carefully to support overhead tanks for water storage to serve the entire building. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. Kindly click on the videos on your screen to watch other amazing videos from this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.